Yeah, please read the directions once more. I missed it. Mm-hmm. So what should we do first?
Let's start from the top.
Good idea. What does the top say?
A 50 cups of water.
50?
No, 150.
Oh, 150
Yeah,
cups of water?
yeah.
Wow, we're making a pool.
No,
That's a lot of water.
no. Maybe 3,000.
3,000?
No, 3,000.
That's not a word.
Maybe 500.
500? 500 what?
500 water.
500 what? Water cups, drops, gallons, tons?
Maybe water.
Okay. Well, you know what? I think the first thing we have to do is maybe fill these 2 cups up with water. What do you think?
If then stirs it.
Yeah. Here. Let's do that.
Okay. I'm tricking you.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
Here's 1 cup of water. Ooh, I think that's a little too much.
Yeah.
Ooh. I think that's okay. Are you thirsty? No, this is fish water. We shouldn't drink fish water. I was just being silly.
Oh.
Yep.